Well, good afternoon. It was another warm one across the area today, much warmer than what we have seen over the past couple of days. Now, checking out our sky cam right now, you can see the increase in cloud cover, a temperature of 85 degrees down from our high of 88. And unfortunately, that's well above our average high, which is about 77 degrees this time of year. Now, despite the clouds, there's not much in the way of rainfall except over southern Alabama, closer to the Gulf Coast. A couple of pop-up showers and thunderstorms had developed there earlier on in the day, but most of us seeing a lot of sunshine for today. Now, taking a look at our temperatures across the region, you can see the middle 80s, 85 in Tuscaloosa, 78 in Birmingham, closer to the middle 70s as we get into Anniston and Gadsden, closer to the Georgia border. And that's because that cool air is trying to work its way back into the west, but unfortunately, it's not going to win out. Now, taking a look at our temperatures regionally, you can see temperatures pretty much everywhere across the southern United States in the 80s, even some 90s, with the coldest air staying well up in the Pacific Northwest. A major winter storm is going to develop across the Dakotas going into tomorrow. Some areas could see measuring snowfall in the feet of snow. Now, obviously, no snowfall for us here in Alabama, but it's going to be pretty nice. So after the warm up that we see earlier in the week, so tomorrow 87, 86 on Friday, but begin to fall to 71, which is below that average high of 77. And then going into early next week, temperatures only rebound into the middle 70s into the lower 80s. So not a bad forecast all in all. Now, checking out our futurecast, you can see not much going on this evening. A couple of showers over Missouri, but most of us across the southeast are staying dry. Going into Thursday, again, mostly clear. A couple of pop-up stray showers or maybe a rumble of thunder type of event for tomorrow, but only about a 20%. It's really not until Friday you begin to see this big line of showers and thunderstorms beginning to develop as of 12:30. That's the cold front that's going to continue to push towards the southeast. You can see just after midnight here on Saturday, the rain beginning to move into western Alabama, and that could have an impact potentially, depending on the timing, on football Friday night. But we begin to clear out pretty quickly by Saturday evening and then going into Sunday as well. Now, again, for football Friday night, you can see temperatures starting off in the mid-70s, lower 70s, upper 60s by the end of the game. Could see some rain showers trying to sneak in, especially across western Alabama. For tonight, though, 66 degrees, pleasant, no rain issues, and no rain issues for tomorrow either, other than just about a 20% chance of an isolated shower, mostly sunny, and temperatures in the upper 80s. Now, as we begin to check out our 7-day forecast, quite a bit going on, a much needed break in that summer-like pattern that seems like we've been stuck in for forever. So you can see Thursday and Friday, middle 80s, and then going into the weekend, lower to middle 70s. So Saturday and Sunday not looking too bad at all before the return of the lower 80s, and another cold front Tuesday into Wednesday, bringing cooler temperatures and more rainfall.